2012 regular session of the 26th Legislature, and a very special welcome to our recently appointed member, Representative Tom Okamura of District 33, IL, and Radio. Today I am glad and relieved to say that we will probably not have to make another extraordinary effort to balance the state budget during this session. This situation will be a welcome departure from the past 3 sessions because of the Great Recession. We had to balance the state budget by a combination of painfully difficult expenditure reductions and targeted revenue enhancements. But we maintained essential public service without increasing the general excise tax rate or the income tax on low and moderate income persons. We all rejected extremism and expediency in favor of reason and fortitude. And we took a balanced and responsible approach. And for that effort, Hawai'i is in a much better place today compared to our peers on the mainland. I commend all of you for a job well done. In continuing on the journey, the economic recovery, although still fragile, is on its way. We in this chamber, however, must remain cautious. The fragility of the economic recovery requires the continuation of our balanced and responsible approach during the 2012 regular session. For the short term, we must maintain stability with respect to the state budget. Maintaining stability means no new taxes for state government from residents and business. Maintaining stability means no major general fund appropriation increase for the expansion of state programs. For this effort and this session, we must focus on maintaining the economic recovery and promoting immediate job growth. And we all must be creative and innovative in our thinking. We must make difficult choices, some of which may be opposed by segments of this community. We must seek ways to expedite the construction of state projects so that money flows into the community. We must also seek ways to avoid mandates on businesses that will increase their cost of doing business here in the state of Hawaii. I am confident that we will make these choices using the same balanced and responsible approach of the past 3 sessions. Our recovery effort depends on a strong, solid foundation, and maintaining a foundation today will enable us to pursue our dreams in the future. Dreams such as a Hawai'i, Representative Kaufman, powered exclusively by alternative energy resources, requiring no export of dollars. A Hawai'i with broadband coverage for all schools, businesses, and homes. A Hawai'i in which health care is universally and affordably available to all. A Hawai'i in which everyone lives in an affordable home, paying no more than 1/3 of their income for the rent or mortgage. And dreams of a Hawai'i with a thriving and diversified economy. This means a Hawai'i with a military presence that is fully appreciated for its importance to our nation and our Pacific Allies' defense and our state economy and social needs. A Hawai'i with a visitor industry that continues to be the envy of the world. A Hawai'i in which agriculture is a viable and sustaining enterprise that feeds our people, supports alternative energy, and exports products. and for all of us, a Hawaii with a public education system that produces business, professional, and governmental leaders able to effectively guide our state in the future and even lead the world in selected areas of expertise. But more mundane that this body has addressed the past 2 years, but instead very important, is a dream of public employees' retirement and health fund systems with no unfunded liability, so that our children and grandchildren do not have to carry the burden of increasing governmental fringe benefit contributions. I have many such dreams, as do all of them. Fulfilling the dreams, however, would require the expenditure of substantial taxpayers' money that we do not have today. Despite this intrusion of reality, let us not abandon our dreams. Let us continue the groundwork for the achievement of the dreams. Later, when the economy and public resources return to robust growth, we will then have the opportunity for full implementation. Let us be confident that our unselfish work of today will lead tomorrow to the Hawaii that we all dream about. To all of you, thank you very much.